Hey there, I'm so glad you're here. This training was made for one person, a woman entrepreneur who's ready to reclaim her clarity and momentum. If you've been feeling stuck, scattered, or unsure what step to take next, this is for you. Let's reset your direction together. This is for the woman who knows she's meant for more, but feels stuck spinning in circles. It's for the woman who's ready to stop dabbling and start leading with a plan that actually works for her. It's for the woman who's tired of downloading freebies, piecing together random advice, and trying to grow a business from burnout. This is not for the woman who wants a quick fix, a hack, or someone else to build her business for her. If you want to feel clear, confident, and in control again, this is for you. Imagine knowing exactly what you're doing, who you serve, what you're offering, and how to lead like the woman you've always been becoming. That's what this work creates, and that's what you deserve. Let's be real. You've probably downloaded the freebies. You've taken a few courses. You've tried batching content, mapping funnels, watching all the reels, and yet your business still doesn't feel like it's working. You're doing a lot, but the clarity, the structure, the actual momentum, it's just not there. That's not because you're unmotivated. It's because you're building without alignment and chasing strategies that weren't designed for you. That's why I created this framework, to help women entrepreneurs reset their mindset, simplify their strategy, and lead from alignment. My programs aren't just about business. They're about rebuilding your clarity, your confidence, and your momentum. The benefit? You finally know what you're doing, why you're doing it, and how it fits your real life. But the benefit of the benefit, you stop second guessing yourself. You stop working 70 hours a week for half the results. You start building like a woman who actually enjoys her business and feels proud of the way she leads. I'm Brenda VanSalisbury, entrepreneurial strategist and founder of Ignite and Ascend. I dropped out of high school at 15, got involved in the wrong crowd, and made a decision that changed everything. I walked away from that life, worked 2 jobs while going to college full-time, and graduated with honors, second in my class. I went on to build a 7-figure aquatic therapy business from scratch and then burned out completely. I shut it down, reset my mindset, and rebuilt a smarter, more aligned business from the ground up. Since then, I've launched multiple businesses, spoken at events, built strategic frameworks, and now help women entrepreneurs stop spinning, find clarity, and lead with purpose. I don't teach from theory, I teach from experience, and I've been where you are. If you're watching this, you've likely downloaded my free PDF or read my book, The Breakthrough Blueprint. That content was designed to spark a mindset shift to help you see your business through a new lens. This webinar is the next step. It's where we turn that mindset shift into real action. You're not starting over. You're building on the clarity you already have, and this is where it starts to take shape. Before we talk strategy, we need direction. That starts with your true north, clarity about what matters most to you. Here's how you find it. Ask yourself 5 simple questions. What's working? What's not working? What do I need to start doing? What do I need to stop doing? Whose help do I need to move forward? When you answer honestly, you'll start to see where you're out of alignment and where to reset. Once you know your true north, the next step is focus, a simple but powerful way to turn clarity into movement. F is filter. Start by writing down everything pulling at your brain, ideas, tasks, to-dos, and obligations. Empty it all out so you can see what's really there. O is organize. Group everything into buckets, like marketing, operations, personal life, or finances. This helps you stop feeling scattered and start seeing structure. C is clarify. From each bucket, choose what actually matters right now. Not everything is urgent. What moves your vision forward today? That's your priority. U is utilize your time. Look at your calendar. Where can you block time for the thing you just prioritized? Don't just name it, schedule it. S is schedule review. Every week, take 10 minutes to reflect. What did I move forward? What got in the way? What's my next best move? This is how you stay aligned, productive, and on purpose without the chaos. Inside my programs, we dive deep into this next step because clarity means nothing if you're not reaching the right people. It starts with your ideal client profile. Who are they really? What do they want, fear, and need? What frustrates them? What motivates them? I walk clients through identifying their audience's habits, language, and even decision-making triggers, because when you understand who you're talking to, everything changes. Then comes the messaging. In my framework, we use a simple but powerful structure. The problem your client is facing, the solution you offer, the benefit they receive, and the benefit of the benefit, what it means for their life. This is the difference between sounding like every other business and becoming unforgettable to the people you're meant to serve. When things feel chaotic, it's not always a lack of effort. It's a lack of structure. That's why I created the STOP framework to help clients move forward with clarity and focus. S is set your goal. What's the specific outcome you want to create? T is tactics. What steps or tools will help you get there? O is obstacles. What might get in the way? Time, mindset, or logistics. Name them so you can prepare. P is priority. Out of everything on your list, what must move forward first? Inside my programs, we go deeper into how to apply STOP across business, life, and mindset. But even starting with this version helps you take back control and stop spinning in circles. Clarity and action are powerful, but without alignment, they won't convert. This is where most entrepreneurs get stuck. They're doing a lot, but their offers, messaging, and marketing aren't aligned. Inside my programs, we map out your client journey and build what I call a path that converts. A clear, consistent funnel that starts with visibility and ends in a confident offer. And here's the truth. If you don't design that path on purpose, your clients won't walk it by accident. Let's fix that. Now it's time to activate your CEO energy, because clarity without confidence still keeps you stuck. CEO energy isn't about working harder. It's about leading with alignment, making bold moves with purpose, not pressure. In my 4-week program, this is the breakthrough moment. This is where women stop playing small and start showing up like the business owner they were meant to be. And inside my 12-week program, we take that energy and build the systems, structure, and strategy to make it sustainable. If you're ready to realign your business and reset your strategy, this is where we start. The Ignite Your Momentum 4-week program is a focused reset designed to help you gain clarity, simplify your goals, and take aligned action without the burnout. You'll get 4 transformational modules, a downloadable workbook, and 1 week of private Voxer access with me for direct support. One client told me, "This gave me more clarity in 4 weeks than I had all year. I finally knew what to focus on and why." The investment is $997, and it's built for women who are ready to stop spinning and start leading. Here's what we cover inside Ignite Your Momentum, 1 week at a time. And yes, it's structured for real transformation. Week 1, True North Reset. We start by pulling you out of the noise and back into alignment. You'll define what success means to you, identify what's working, what's not, what needs to stop, and what needs to start. You'll create your own True North filter so you can stop chasing and start choosing. Every move aligned with your values and vision. Week 2, the Focus Framework. This week, we simplify everything. You'll learn to filter the mental clutter, organize competing priorities, clarify what matters most, and build a system that supports your goals, not sabotages them. You'll walk away with a weekly review process that keeps you focused without burning out. Week 3, the PATH method. This is where we take what's in your head and turn it into a strategy. You'll create a tactical plan using my PATH method. You'll plan, take aligned actions, map your timeline, and prepare for hurdles. Whether your goals are personal or professional, you'll have a realistic, aligned roadmap you can stick to. Week 4, activate your CEO energy. This is where clarity becomes momentum. You'll step into aligned visibility, getting clear on who you're speaking to, what you're offering, and how to show up consistently. We'll refine your ideal client profile, simplify your one offer, one outcome, and guide you through a 7-day visibility sprint designed to get you into motion without overwhelm. You'll also craft simple, authentic calls to action so people not only hear you, but respond. By the end of 4 weeks, you won't just have a plan. You'll have structure, strategy, and real momentum that aligns with the business and life you actually want. If you want more than just clarity, you want custom strategy, real-time feedback, and direct support, this is for you. The VIP upgrade includes everything in the core 4-week program plus 3 private 2-hour strategy sessions with me spread across the month. This is where we dive into your business, your vision, and your blocks and build a personalized plan that fits you. You'll also have extended private Voxer access to ask questions, get clarity, or stay motivated between sessions. Laura said, "Brenda didn't just help me get unstuck. She helped me see where I was playing small and exactly how to change it." The investment for the VIP experience is $1,497, and the clarity and confidence you gain is worth so much more. For the woman who's ready to reset everything fast, I created the full-day reset VIP experience. You'll get the complete Ignite Your Momentum program, plus an 8-hour private strategy day with me. In that one immersive day, we'll cover your full true north alignment, strategic planning with the F.O.C.U.S and P.A.T.H methods, visibility and messaging clarity, and a custom roadmap to carry it all forward. After your reset day, you'll get 7 days of private Voxer support to stay accountable, ask questions, and lock in momentum. The investment is $1,997, and there are limited spots available each month. If you're ready to go deeper, stretch further, and truly build the business and identity you've been craving, this is where we go next. The Ignite and Ascend Core program is a 12-week journey designed to help you reclaim your time, refine your strategy, and lead with bold confidence. You'll get weekly 60-minute coaching calls, a full workbook, and the step-by-step support to build momentum that lasts. One of my clients, Danielle M., said, "I thought I had a strategy until I worked with Brenda. She helped me stop overcomplicating everything and finally get traction. For the first time in a long time, I feel clear." The investment is $6,000, and this is the foundation for sustainable growth and aligned leadership. Here's what we cover in the first half of the Ignite and Ascend 12-week program, where we build your foundation and reset your alignment. Week 1, True North, Reset, and Focus. Clarify your values, vision, and direction. Use the F.O.C.U.S framework to organize and simplify what matters most. Week 2, Break the Belief Loop. Shift limiting beliefs and daily habits. Redesign your mindset and build a routine that supports your future self. Week 3, Strategic Goals with the P.A.T.H method. Turn vision into strategy with a custom plan, including the framework outlining the plan, actions, timeline, and hurdles mapped for both business and personal life. Week 4, Visibility and Ideal Client Clarity. Define who you serve and where to find them. Create a visibility plan that matches your energy and message. Week 5, Funnel Simplified. Map out your full client journey, from free value to paid offer, so your funnel flows naturally and converts. Week 6, Magnetic Messaging. Craft a message that sticks. Clarify your voice, build emotional hooks, and simplify how you describe what you do. The second half of Ignite and Ascend is where momentum becomes mastery and where your clarity starts producing real results. Week 7, Strategic Decisions, Clarity Filter, and Stop Overthinking. You'll learn how to filter ideas, make aligned decisions, and use discernment as a leadership tool. Week 8, Offer Positioning and Client Connection, where you refine your one offer, one outcome. You'll map your problem, solution, benefit of the benefit call to action messaging framework and learn to connect with clients clearly and confidently. Week 9, Messaging that Converts. We take your brand message deeper, create emotional triggers, sharpen your content, and build a simple messaging system. Week 10, The Conversation Funnel. Learn how to guide potential clients from interest to action using natural language, connection prompts, and simple follow-ups. Week 11, the 90-day CEO roadmap. Design your next quarter using everything you've learned. Prioritize what matters, plan realistically, and build with confidence. Week 12, vision forward and leadership reflection. Celebrate how far you've come. We revisit your true north, reflect on growth, and realign your vision for what's next. By week 12, you won't just be thinking differently, you'll be leading differently. If you want deeper strategy, real-time support, and personal accountability, you'll want the VIP upgrade. You get everything in the 12-week core program, plus double the coaching time with weekly 2-hour private sessions, private Voxer access Monday through Friday for daily check-ins, breakthroughs, and real-time course correction. It's double the support, but not double the price. One client, Erica J., said, "The weekly deep dives changed everything. I felt supported, seen, and stretched in the best way. It wasn't just business coaching. It was a leadership breakthrough. The investment is $7,497, and it's built for the woman who's ready to rise. For the woman who doesn't have time to stretch it out, but needs to go deep, I created the Full Day Reset VIP experience. This includes the full 12-week Ignite and Ascend program, plus a 10-hour private strategy day where we map out your vision, your structure, and your full momentum plan in one immersive session. During your reset day, we'll cover your full alignment strategy, true north, focus, and path, messaging, marketing, and visibility plan, offer positioning, and a 90-day CEO roadmap. After the intensive, you'll still get weekly 2-hour coaching sessions and full Voxer access for the remainder of the 12 weeks. The investment is $9,997, and it's built for the woman who wants to reset everything and lead from her next level immediately. You've seen the full picture, 4-week or 12-week standard, VIP, or full day reset. You get to choose what fits your life, your timeline, and your leadership goals. Every option is built to help you stop spinning and finally gain momentum with the mindset, strategy, and structure to back it up. So if you're ready to lead differently, to show up fully, and to finally enjoy the business you're building, apply now. Flexible payment plan available. Ready to apply? Visit igniteandascend.community or email me directly, brenda@igniteandascend.community. If you're not sure which offer is right for you, send me a message. I'll help you find the path that fits your goals. Let's reset everything and build the business that works for you.